MageAnts Magento to Multiple Coupons Extension. MageAnts multiple coupon codes for Magento to enable customers to apply several discount codes in one order on checkout or shopping cart pages and get the maximum possible discount. In addition to this, store owners are allowed to manage these coupon codes from back-end and including to multiple number of coupon codes to be applied on one order to prevent the case of using huge discount by customer on a single order. Key features of MageAnts Magento to Multiple Coupons Extension. Offer multiple discounts per order. Display used coupon codes. Manage coupons from the admin panel. Numerous coupons for guest visitors. Apply multiple coupons at shopping cart and checkout page. Both logged-in users and guest users can use various coupons. Admin can generate the coupons from cart price rules. Set percent or fixed discount. Coupon codes. See MageAnts Magento to Multiple Coupons Extension demo on https://www.mageants.com/multiple-coupons-for-magento-2.html. MageAnts Magento to Multiple